CloudExtend Excel does support NetSuite's custom transaction types. I want to show you how that works because there's a couple of things that you need to pay attention to. So here's a custom transaction type that I've created, and I've populated a record with values here. So now I'm going to go into CloudExtend Excel, and I'm going to create a template for that transaction type. It's called My Transaction Type. So I'm going to come over here and go and click on My Test Transaction Type. Now what you're going to see here is a list of many NetSuite fields, a lot of them even unrelated to My Test Transaction Type. And that's because NetSuite's web services is unable to return just the fields that are related to My Test Transaction Type. So what we need to do here is just be careful and make sure we select the right fields. So in this case, I know I want to select an amount field, and it's going to be the line list amount field. I'm going to select the header level memo field. I'm going to select the line level memo field, and usually a good idea to bring in the transaction date as well. And let's bring in the general ledger account that we'll be using here. So that's going to be the line level for the line list right here. So we should have enough fields available here that will allow us to populate some records. Let's go ahead and give this template a name. And we'll go ahead and load it. So note, this is a one-time process. So you'll only have to build this template one time and go through that small amount of pain to identify just the fields that you want to see on it. After that, it's just a matter of populating or updating your records. So let's go ahead and create one right here. I'll just call this H memo. I'll call this L memo for line level, and we'll put in a date of, let's just say 6/30/2018, and then we'll choose a general ledger account for this as well. Let's just call this interest income. So now we're ready to go ahead and push this update and create a record. And it's successfully created because a new internal ID shows up in green here. So when I click on list, we'll see that new record created right here, and we can view it. And as you'll see, we have H memo for the header level memo, L memo, the proper amount, interest income, etc. as the account. So hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using CloudExtend.